In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to copy another thumbnail. So I went to YouTube and I took a screenshot of this thumbnail. So I'm going to replace me to be this guy. So now we have to go to novoads AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And here we have to go to the image section, the model GPT Image 2, the quality low is enough and is much cheaper than the other qualities. And in the aspect ratio, we need to do a horizontal image. So now let's click here in reference and upload the image. Now I'm going to use this image of myself. And now to replace me and create a copy of this thumbnail, I just have to use a simple prompt like this one. And now, well, let's create only 3 images. Let's click here. And now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. Here we have the result. And as you can see, the quality of the thumbnails are really good. The only one that I didn't like it is this one. But for this reason, we use the quality low. This way we can create more images. So if you want to try this platform, I wanted to tell you that for the new users, you can try the platform for just $1. So well, see you in the next video.